Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to show you a really neat way to get cash back on doing what you normally do. Well, Bitcoin cash back. So they got some really good rates right now. So like you can go to Harry's, Adidas, so the new pair of shoes you were going to buy anyways, go ahead and get cash back from it from Adidas. You literally just go to here, go hit shop. It'll take you to Adidas. Talks about the things, cashback activated, and now we go shop for shoes. So you just buy your stuff just like you normally do and you get cash back. Super easy to do. This is my favorite one, Sam's Club. I go to Sam's Club like every week. You can go ahead and get the same groceries you get, gas, you can go get food, mattresses, everything. So the same thing with the Sam's Club, or you can even go get it at Groupon. I mean, they got tons of cash back. This is an easy way to get Bitcoin cash back. So a lot of people are like, oh, I can't buy Bitcoin, or oh, I can't afford it. Okay, just buy your normal stuff and just get your cash back. That's it. It's easy. So look, 22.5% cash back. So that means you spend $100, you're getting 22 bucks in Bitcoin. So it's a no-brainer. I mean, it's just like getting money off on your groceries. And then who knows that 10% back or 20% cash back in Bitcoin you got, say it's worth 20 bucks and Bitcoin does a 5x, that 20 bucks is now worth 100 bucks. So definitely recommend checking this website out. I'll put a link in the description where you can get free 10 bucks in Bitcoin when you do your first transaction or buy something like you normally do. I'll also do a couple more videos on seeing how to get cash back in unique ways. Another one's going to be the Fold app. I'll go ahead and get into it, but just wanted to do a quick video on this, guys. If you guys like this, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys don't like this video, just hit that dislike button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It helps the YouTube algorithms, and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the description below. Thanks. I forgot to mention what it was. It's Lolly. Lolly is the place to go for the Bitcoin. I'll put a link in the description. It's free cash back on Bitcoin, which is really nice. Enjoy.